All right, guys. So it's the basis of this particular challenge, and today we want to talk about freelancing. So in a nutshell, for people that doesn't know what freelancing is or you have no idea, I'm going to first walk you through and let you understand what freelancing is and how this can make us money, right? So now the very first thing I'm going to do is to come over to my screen, as you can see right now. So freelancing is a form of self-employment where individuals offer their service to clients or businesses on a project basis. Now let me explain so you can understand. Now this what I'm doing right now is more of like a freelance service. I'm rendering my knowledge. I'm teaching you something or what to do about this thing. So this is called freelancing. Me rendering my knowledge, teaching you something. I'm rendering freelancing service to you, right? So now, how are we going to do this online? What are the services we are going to sell to these people to make money for ourselves? This is where your expertise come in. If you have any professional around any technical stuff, or maybe any random thing that people find difficult to do, or you feel like people will need to hire you so you can get to do the work for them, like video editing, script writing, website development, website design, all of those things like that. So now it's for you to identify your skills and what you can do that people can't, so they can get to pay you for that service and you make money as a freelancer, right? So I'm going to talk about two websites that you are going to start on, which is Fiverr and Upwork, right? So these two websites is most common and most freelance marketplace where you can get to find clients to give you a job to do and you make money for yourself, right? So I know you might not have a skill that you want to render, but if you don't have a skill, just drop a comment in this in the comment box below that I don't have a skill, so I'm going to teach some little skills that you can do and make money for yourself in the online space with this. So right here in this video, this is just like a basic knowledge of what is coming ahead of us in this second phase where we talk about freelancing, and I hope you have a full knowledge of what freelancing is right now. So now, how do you get started on Fiverr and Upwork, right? Which is you are set to make money, you've identified your skills, you have identified your profession, and now you want to get people to sell this service to so you can make the money for yourself and keep it in your pockets, right? Now, first off, you need to build your portfolio, which is very important, right? So your portfolio, which is going to speak for you when clients pick up your profile to check through. Portfolio is very important because they don't know you, you don't have any review yet, and they trust the platform than you yourself. So, but adding portfolio can speak a little bit about you and also give you a upper hand in getting job, right? So now you need to build your portfolio. How do you build your portfolio, right? So you are going to hire yourself. Yes, you are going to hire yourself. All of the things you said you do, all of the things you said you master, you are going to render all of those services to yourself as a client, and you keep it, you pile it up together to build your portfolio. That's what is called portfolio. So if you said you are a website developer, you need to build your website for yourself and you keep that as a portfolio. If you are an article writer, you need to keep it yourself. You write article for yourself on various topics that you wish to get clients from, and you keep that as your portfolio because clients can ask you for reference and words about your previous jobs, so you can just send them across and they can get to scale it up and see if you are good to go with their preference, right? So if that being said, guys, same thing applicable to Fiverr and Upwork. So I'm not going to dig much into that. So after that, you build your portfolio and your portfolio is ready. The next thing is to sign up on this freelance platform. So here is a video on how you can sign up on Fiverr, and right here is a video on how you can sign up on Upwork, right? So once you sign up your account, you are going to go to make money. You are going to submit every of your gig, which is your service that you want to sell. You are going to submit your portfolio. You are going to add it to your profile. Everything at all is going to be on your profile. And now on Fiverr, you are going to just wait there, rank your gig, and you are going to just wait for message to come in or order to make the money that you deserve. So you are going to just like make yourself visible, or you can just step up a little bit by just sharing your profile link to Facebook groups if you are into outbound marketing, But if you are not into that, I'm still going to record the video in this series on how you are going to get clients outside freelance platform. And on Upwork is different. You are going to buy connect and you are going to start bidding for job. So you are going to make yourself visible. You are going to tell clients your potentials and the reason why they should hire you to get a job on Upwork. So I feel like Upwork is kind of easy, but this is not a comparison video. That one is still coming in this series too. So where I'm going to walk you through which platform should you focus on the most and the pros and cons that's applicable to me. And everything I'm going to share is just based on my knowledge. So I hope you understand what freelancing is now. So now I want you to go over, identify your skills, identify your profession, build your portfolio, and get ready for the next video where we get to do all of this together. And once you identify all of that and you are ready to go, watch this video again that's showing up right here about how you are going to sign up on Fiverr and how you are going to list out your service. And this right here on how you are going to sign up on Upwork and how you are going to sell your service to them, and also how you are going to bid for job, which I'm going to record the video in this series too, right? So with that being said, guys, I'm going to see you in next day and we are going to talk more about freelancing, where we get to share another thing that's going to entice you and help you make money in the online space. So like this video, share with your friend, and subscribe to my channel as we go over together. So till then, guys, stay at peace and I will talk to you more later.